Adventure is out there, and today we are staying at Disney World's Animal Kingdom Lodge at the Kidani Village. Follow along as we take a quick walk through the room. So we just checked into our Disney Vacation Club Kidani Village Standard View Studio Room. This is room 7301. And right when you walk in on the left side, we have a kitchenette here. Here we have a lot of different options for drinks in the morning. We have coffee and tea. And then up here, we also have paper towels, and it also comes with plates and forks and knives because it is a Disney Vacation Club room. And the fridge is here as well. It's a very small freezer space, but it's there. And as you walk in on the right, we have the bathroom. And it looks like this bathroom has the room and the toilet split off from the rest of the room, so somebody could be using the washroom while someone else is getting ready here, which is nice. Full-length mirror. Single sink. Oh, I like the tile in the shower. Shows some animals, which is very fitting for the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Close this. Let's see, actually, did it have a tub? Yes. So this is a full bath and shower here. And then off to the side here, I think this is a closet. Yeah, so in this closet we have the extra pillow and the blanket here. A safe down there as well. And then you enter into the main part of the room. We have a queen size bed. I really like the headboard detail, very beautiful. And then on the left side here, as you walk into the main part of the room, you have a closet. Or, it's not a closet, wardrobe. And on the left here, you have an area to store your luggage. You also have some space here if you are the type of traveler who likes to unpack. A nice small sitting area with 2 chairs. And this room also features the Hey Disney. This room also has a balcony. Our balcony happens to look off of the main entrance of Kidani. And once again, this is a standard view room. And then the sofa here is a queen sleeper sofa. I think we're gonna fold this out later. We're not gonna fold it out right now. And if you've made it this far, please consider hitting the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an adventure. I hope you join me on my next journey, but until then, keep exploring.